Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. Today we're going to show you this 2020 Chaparral. It's made by Coachmen. It's a 298, yet it has lots to offer. This one got the auto level, which is a nice touch. Touch a button, it levels up. Got the nice sturdy steps. It's still got that big basement. The asdil in the structure, pretty cool. So that keeps, no bulging, no D-lam, all that good stuff. Power awning, outside speakers. A lot of this going on around this coach as you go around. There is the outside shower. And again, as I mentioned, the auto level. That is a clever way, to level your coach. And let's go inside and show you more. All right, folks, here we're inside now. As you can see, it's a very welcoming coach. Right off the bat, the solid surface on the counters here, very nice touch. Got an island. There's a pantry there. That's a nice, handy pantry to have. Then you have big microwave, oven, stove, you name it. Big fridge. This is a 4-door fridge. Okay, very, very important for storage, food, what have you. Then you got the 2 recliners, really nice. They're facing the right way. TV is right there. And then the big windows, nice couch, lots of cabinets still on top for storage. You got a nice fan and, of course, the fireplace. A fireplace comes in handy. You can warm up your coach and then just let that run. It's electric, And then a nice dinette, this way you can adjust big guy, or little guy. So a big window right there in the dinette. That's pretty nice. As you go into the bedroom, there's lots of storage there. Nice bathroom, LED lights throughout, big closet, bed. I want to say just about a queen, maybe a little bit less than a queen. It's not your king size, but it will do for a couple people, maybe a grandchild coming in with you. So yeah. Hi folks, here we go with the Chaparral 298. This one is on a big special. If you have any questions, more information available also at 541-515-1237. Thank you.